Hello guys, welcome to this Adobe Premiere course. In this video, I will show you how to open a new project. When we open the software, we get this window, so we click on New Project. Then we get this window right here, and we name the project from here. You can name it whatever you like. And we select the project location from here. For me, I will create a folder in the desktop. I will call it Adobe Premiere, for example. Then we click select folder, and here we are. Now all the projects will be saved in this location automatically. Then we click OK and we wait a little bit. And this is the software main interface. Now we go to File, then New, and we select Sequence. Shortcut is Ctrl+N. Then you select the video quality from here. As you see, we have here so many qualities to choose from. For me, I will go with HDV 1080 pixels. So we click OK. And here we are, the software is up and running. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.